Now, what we need to do is split our project element into several components, because if we create entire project element with a single component, it would be a very big code and very hard to manage. So I'm going to split it into 3 components: project left, calendar, and the third component is going to be task for each individual task. So now here in project folder, I'm going to create new directory, project components, and let's create 3 components. First one will be project left.js. The next one, project calendar.js. And the third one, project task.js. Now we need corresponding HTML. Let's open index.html of our prototype. I'm going to need just this part, so let's remove the rest. Now, first, let's find project left, which is this one. Control X to cut. And by the way, I'm going to leave a comment here, project left, because later we will need to know where to nest project left component. So now here, RSC to create a simple stateless component, project left, and Control V to paste. By the way, please pay attention that my IDE automatically replaced class to class name, because as we mentioned earlier, the word class is reserved for React. So instead of class, we need to use class name. Control S, and now I'm going to import project left component to our project.js here. Import project left from project components, project left. Okay. Now let's do the same for the calendar. Let's find it in index.html of our prototype, and it's this part here, month and days. Control X, comment, calendar. RSC, tab to create stateless component, calendar, and here let's paste div class name month, div class name days. Okay, let's import it here. Import calendar from project components, project calendar, semicolon here. And now tasks. By the way, I'm going to need only one task. We can remove the rest. This one, and let's remove this one. I'm going to cut this part. Project task, RSC, tab, task, and let's put it here. Div class name task. And here I'm going to leave a comment, task. Okay, now let's import task component here. Import task from project components, project task, this one, semicolon here. And now let's move the rest of the code. here, and since we have these comments, we know where to nest all these 3 components we just created. So project left goes here, calendar goes here, and task goes here. Okay. Now we have a little problem with CSS. app.css, it has some default styling which I'm going to remove. Control S, and that's it. Let's open our project left component and remove the second and third tasks. Control S. Okay,